Hi, this is Senior Director Faith London with Mary Kay, celebrating my 36th year. I'm going to talk about Indulge Soothing Eye Gel and then the Eye Renewal Cream from the Time-Wise Repair Volume Firm skincare line. The Eye Renewal Cream. So first, Indulge. So Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. What a cute little bottle this is. And it's filled with this soothing gel that's cooling and refreshing, and it has botanical extracts in it, and it'll tone and firm and reduce appearance of puffiness. It's going to go here. It's not going to go right underneath the eyes like eyelashes. Just keep it in here. It can also go on the brow bone, but not ever on the lid. The brow bone, you don't need just a tiny little bit. And just kind of pat it around until it dissipates. It can also go above the eyebrow. It's cooling. You could keep it in the refrigerator, but you don't have to. Okay, but don't put it on the eyelid, just underneath the eye, because it will help reduce puffiness. It calms, it cools, it refreshes, and it increases the skin moisturization as well. Okay, it's dermatologically tested. It's clinically tested for the eyes and the skin around the eyes. So just kind of pat it in there just like that. I was crying an hour ago over some crazy thing, but that's now all fixed. So my eyes are kind of puffy, actually. It does sink in pretty well. Okay. It can be left on all day, and you could also apply it on top of your makeup and just pat it around for like a wake-up kind of thing. Cool and refreshing, and it won't disturb the makeup. When you're done, just put the cap back on and leave it where you leave it, or you can put it in the refrigerator. Okay. Has green tea extract in it, soothing and calming. Cucumber extract, which reduces puffiness and calms the skin. Rose fruit extract, it conditions the skin around the appearance of the eyes and helps it look softer and smoother. So that's Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. Okay, now once it's actually, kind of dissipated into your skin, usually I'll put on some moisturizer now. So let me put on some lifting serum first. One squirt lifting serum. I use a little extra. The lifting serum is the most powerful product we make in the company. It has more botanicals and antioxidants in it than you can imagine. I can't even name them all. I just know there's a lot in there. Okay. And this is pretty much good. All right, so where's my eye cream? Time-Wise Repair Volume Firm Eye Renewal Cream. Has this metal tip. You'll see why. Okay, so it awakens tired and dry and puffy eyes, and it helps to improve the appearance of the eyes, diminishes darkness, it reduces puffiness, and bags. It decreases the sagging skin and crepiness that appears under the eye occasionally. You just squeeze from the bottom or from wherever, and you'll see it come out the little metal tip right there. See that? And then you're going to put a little bit on here like this. Just don't get it to the glass. You don't need to put it right on top of you can put it right on top of where the Indulge was, but just don't put it underneath the eye. See how I'm staying away from the lashes and to the side, and then it can you can squeeze some more out while you're applying it. I like to blend it in while it's cool like that. And it can go on the eyelid. Now, I do not usually put it on the eyelid during the day. I'm just making the video so you can tell. But the liquid crystals in here help reflect a more luminous look, and the metal applicator stimulates the microcirculation on the skin, under the skin, and it helps to decrease puffiness and trap fluid that's under the skin. So it really does help. Use your eye cream. You can use eye cream every morning and every night. Okay, but this is the only eye cream that we make that can be applied to the eyelid itself. Sometimes when you get down to the end of the tube, it's harder to squeeze it out. Yeah, then you gotta go up a little bit. There. Not too much, though. I don't always put it on my eyes in the daytime because I have oily skin and I don't want it to screw up the eyeshadow kind of thing. Okay? But it helps lessen the appearance of dark circles. It helps minimize puffiness. It also has the Good Housekeeping seal of approval, which means whatever we say that it does, it actually proves that it does do that. And there you go. Indulge Soothing Eye Gel and Time-Wise Repair Volume Firm Eye Renewal Cream. Hope that information helps you. Bye.